Okay, so when you get the machine from Focus, you will also get some pallet, working pallet for suitable for printing, mass production. Because the Focus Alpha jet machine was designed by mass production and also industrial level with high quality. So this machine not the same as the other modified printers that like Epson L800, Epson 1300, 1800, 1900, like a modified printer, one print head. Because this printer is built with 3 print head, so can get very fast printing speed and also high quality. So we provide lots of different materials, and also we provide some different kind of printing palette to allow you to print different materials with mass production. So let me explain to you one by one what kind of a palette that Focus will provide for you. So first, this is the rotary print device. This can allow you to print on the bottle, like print on the sport bottle and tumbler, print a lot of different rotary device, like one bottle, lots of bottles. So this is what we call the rotary printing device. I'll let me teach you how to print with this. Thank you. And also this one, we call it by marker printing device. This to allow you to print the markers. You put a marker and print a marker. So this is what we call the marker printing palette. We also designed by Focus, and you can put it for print on markers. Yeah. Thank you. And also this one is for print the card, acrylic. The card and also the hot cycles for souvenirs, for gifts. You put it here, and they can print it one by one for mass production, like this. And also this one is printed buttons for your clothes. Lots of people print the clothes like this, the buttons for your clothes using. And put on here, and you also can get a mass production for each, like this. So this is the button printing palette. And also this is for ID card, for quick card printing palette. And put it here, and for mass production. For here, like this, mass production, print lots of cards, quick card by one time. And also this one is the ball printing palette, balls. You can print on the golf ball, ping pong ball, eggers, apples, lots of the ball materials. It's also for mass production with high speed. And this is the phone case printing palette for printing a phone case. Remember the different kind of the phone case you must use different kind of the palette. This palette was designed for iPhone X, like this, and also you can print by mass production. Some different model of the smartphone. You must use different palette, and also we will do the DIY for you for different sizes. Okay, so this one is for the lipstick cover, lipstick box. Print one by one. I print all of them for mass production. Like this, lipstick. And this one is for print on for lighter. See, for lighter. With high also this way for mass production. All right, and also we provide a lot of different materials, and also we will do the customer size pallet printing for you, pallet making. So you just need to tell the size of your materials you want to print, like the pen, lots of materials. Any materials you want to print, we will make that working template, the mass production template device for you, unique. So we provide design, we provide the making for you. And also such as the pens, lots of different materials we can print. Later we teach you and we'll show you how to print it with the pallet. Okay, so after you got the spare parts, after you get the ink and the pallet and also the machine, we can start to do the installation. Before you do the installation, you must prepare the tools and also the computer. The computer is also very important. The computer must be with high speed. The CPU cannot lower than 4 cores, and also the memory must be bigger than 8 or 16. It's better for using 16 gigs for high speed printing.